Hola y bienvenidos a todos. Hello and welcome you all to my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. Y buenas tardes, good evening. So in today's video, I'll be telling you all, I'll be sharing how to differentiate between two tenses in Spanish. So there are some points that I'll be talking about in these videos, and these kind of videos I'll be sharing once in a week maybe. And I'll be telling you all, first point, I'll be telling you all how to differentiate between two tenses. Second, in Spanish. Second, how to use them, how to use the different tenses in Spanish in the sentences also. Okay. Third, how to conjugate the verbs in different tenses in Spanish. Okay, like for example, we conjugate all the verbs according to the tenses. It is present tense, past tense, future tense, and the part of it. Okay, so third, how to use the verbs in the specific tenses, how to conjugate them. Fourth, how to make the sentences. So in Spanish, we normally use the timelines. For example, today I am doing this, today I have been doing that. Okay, so the timeline. So fourth, how to use the timeline or how to create the sentences in Spanish while using the different tenses. So these are the points that will be there in the videos that I'll be uploading once in a week. And first of all, let me tell you all that we are going to take two simple tenses: present simple, past simple. Okay, not the part of it, not the future tense, not the present continuous and all. So we are going to take the simple tenses first: present simple, past simple. We are not going to take present continuous, future tense, past participle and all. We are not going to take the part of it. We are going to take the simple ones first. Okay, and in each tense we are going to take three kind of verbs: AR, IR, ER ending verbs. Okay, so we are going to take two tenses, how to differentiate between them, how to use them, how to conjugate the verbs in different tenses and all. So let's take two tenses, present tense and past tense, and we are going to take three examples: AR, IR, ER ending verbs in each tense. Okay, so let's get started. So first, let's take present simple: presente. Okay, presente en español, the present tense in Spanish. Okay, and we are going to take three examples. So we have taken present tense right now first, and then we are going to take the past simple also. Okay, so we are going to differentiate between them, and we are going to take three verbs: AR, IR, ER ending verbs. We are going to take trabajar for AR ending verb, which means to work. ER ending verb we will take comer, which means to eat something. Okay, comer, ER ending verb. IR ending verb we are going to take vivir. Vivir means to live somewhere. So these three verbs are very basic. For beginners I'm talking about, it is very basic, and we have taken these three examples for verbs that we are going to conjugate them in present tense right now, and we are going to find out how we form the sentences, okay, while using present tense. Let's start. So first, let's take trabajar, which means to work. So if I want to say I work, we don't know how to conjugate the verbs in first, second, third person in present tense I'm talking about. If you don't know how to form the conjugations in Spanish, you can watch the playlist on my channel, the formation of the conjugations and explanation of the conjugations as well, and you can find out there are so many videos about the verbs, the formation of the verbs, how you conjugate the verbs in Spanish in present tense. Okay, so you can watch that video, and then you will know that how to conjugate the verbs in present tense. Okay, so let's get back to it. For AR, trabajar, which means to work, if I want to say normally I work, okay, present tense we use normally. Okay, we are not saying present continuous, that right now I'm doing this, right now I'm teaching. That is a different tense. Okay, that is a part of it, the present. Okay, so we are saying I normally do that. I eat apple a day. Okay, I go there, so that is all present tense. I do cycling. Okay, I do the exercises daily. Okay, so we are talking about the normal things that we do, and we are all using present tense in that. right? We are not conjugating it in the present continuous. I am running, I am going, ing form. So we are not using that right now. We are talking about whatever we do normally. I eat pizza, I play with my dog, I play guitar as well. Okay, so there are some things we are talking about normally, the things we do normally, and we are using present tense in that. So we are going to use the present tense in Spanish whenever we talk about the things normally. You can say daily I do exercises. Okay, so daily we do, but we are talking in present tense. Okay, so let's take an example for trabajar. I work daily, or I work with my boss. Okay, yo trabajo con mi jefe. Yo trabajo, I work. Trabajar, we are conjugating the first person. In the first person, yo trabajo con mi, with my boss. Okay, that is a very simple sentence. So as you all know that you can add daily. I work with my boss daily. Todos los días. Daily. So we can add things in the sentences, but first we should know that if we are talking about the things that we normally do, we use present tense. Okay, that's it. Or you can add things that daily I do that. So now let's take an example for er ending verb, which is comer, which means to eat something. Yo como el hamburguesa todos los días. Yo como, I eat, hamburguesa, the burger, todos los días, daily. So we are conjugating it in first person. Yo como, I eat. Okay, I'm just taking the examples to let you know that how you conjugate the verbs. Okay, in present tense. Okay, and or you can learn the conjugations from the playlist also. And this is the explanation that how we differentiate between the tenses. Okay, using the words, using the different verbs. Okay, so yo como el hamburguesa todos los días. Let's take an example. Third one, vivir, which means to live. Yo vivo con mis padres. I live, or you can say tú vives con tus padres. You live with your parents. So we can use normally I do that, normalmente. We can also use todos los días. So these are the things that you can add up. But whenever we talk about the things that we usually do, you should use present tense. Okay, there is no such rule, but normally in English also we do that, right? So in Spanish also you can do that. And past tense is a different tense. It's a very, very different tense. So now you know how you use the present tense, how you form the sentences in present tense, which words you should use in present tense while forming the sentences. So let's get to the past tense, past simple. And we are not going to use past participle or past continuous. We are not going to use that. We are using past simple. So we are going to take the three same examples, trabajar, and because that will be easier for you to remember. Trabajar, comer, vivir. Okay, trabajar to work, comer to eat, vivir to live. Okay, so I am going to explain the conjugations later. Okay, the formation, how you form the conjugations in past tense, because still now also in that playlist we were learning present tense only. So exact things, how you form the conjugations, so I'm going to tell you later. But for now I'm going to tell you how you differentiate between them. Okay, so first we are going to take trabajar verb, which is to work, and so we are going to conjugate the verb in first person, trabaje. Okay, so there will be accent on e, trabaje. Okay, so I worked, not I have worked. No, I was working. No, I worked. So in the past tense you can use ayer, yesterday. Yesterday I did that. Yesterday I worked a lot. Yesterday I traveled a lot. Okay, so yesterday we are talking about a time thing that just have completed, the tasks that have completed. So in this part we are using the verbs and we are using the actions that have already taken place. Okay, time khatam ho chuka hai, and there is no, like, right now the time is not going on. So if you are talking about the last night, if you are talking about the yesterday, we are talking about last year, so we are going to use past simple. Okay, yo trabaje con mi jefe. I worked. Ayer, you can use ayer trabaje con mi jefe. Yesterday I worked with my boss. Okay, so right now I'm not working with my boss. Today I have not worked with my boss, but yesterday I worked with my boss. So you are getting this, वो already complete हो चुका है, the task have already completed. Okay, so that's why we are talking about that thing in the past tense, past proper, past simple. Okay, so I worked with my boss yesterday. Ayer yo trabaje con mi jefe. So let me tell you, in past tense there is a different formation for AR and IR ER. Okay, there is the same formation for ER and IR, but there is a different one for AR. Okay, so I'm going to tell you all the whole explanation for all these verbs in the coming videos, but for now let me tell you, there is a different formation in AR ending verb in past tense and IR and ER ending verb in past tense. Okay, so for now you can learn how to differentiate between them. Okay, so let's take an example for comer, ER ending verb. We are going to use comi. Comi. There will be accent on I, comi. So we are going to take the comer example. I ate what? I ate hamburguesa. I ate. Okay, I have eaten, no, I ate. So I have eaten, that will be the part of present also, but I ate, that have completed. Okay, finished. Oh, the time zone is also not same. Yesterday we are talking about, not about today. Okay, today is still going on, right? So the time zone is not same. Okay, so yesterday I ate the burger. So yesterday I ate the burger. Yo comí el hamburguesa. Okay, so we are conjugating the verb according to the past tense, and we are saying ayer yo comí. Okay, yesterday I ate. Okay, so el mes pasado yo comí el hamburguesa. Okay, the last month I ate the burger. So you are not going to use the time zones like this month. No, you cannot use that because this month is still going on, right? So we are going to use the time zone which have already finished. Last month, last year, last week, last night. Okay, and el año pasado, el mes pasado, la semana pasada, the last week, and yesterday, ayer. So you can use these kind of words with the past tense. Okay, the past simple I'm talking about. So yo comí el hamburguesa ayer. Okay, so let's take an example. IR ending verb, vivir. So same as I said that there is a different conjugation formation for AR, but the conjugation will be same for IR and ER. Okay, so VV we are going to use for first person. I lived with my parents. Okay, yo viví con mis padres. Con mi madre, con mi padre, con mis padres. Okay, with my mother. I lived with my mother, I lived with my parents, and I lived with my dog. Okay, so yo viví con mi perro. You can say that, right? The time have already finished and you are using that. That's why ayer you can add. Okay, ayer yo viví con mi perro. So that's it, how you conjugate, how you differentiate between the tenses. The time zones also I've already explained. And so keep learning Spanish, stay tuned with my channel, and that was it for today. In the next video I'm going to take two another examples, and I'm going to tell you all how you differentiate between the tenses in Spanish. And if you will have any doubt, you can write it down in the comment section. So let me know that you like my video or not, and please let me know your doubts if you have any in the comment section. And keep learning Spanish. Stay tuned with my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. Adios, hasta pronto.